Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a two-factor authentication on your Bybit account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Bybit application on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, proceed forward with your email address or your phone number and your password. Once you are logged in, you will end up within the home page. Now, in order to set up a two-factor authentication, tap on your account icon at the top left corner and then tap on Security. You can also tap on the gear icon at the top right, and here you will find Security as well. Once you are inside the Security page, just scroll down and you will see the Google Two-Factor Authentication option. You can tap on this in order to enable it, and you will be asked to enter the security code that has been sent to your email address. Just check your inbox and you will find your 6-digit code. Just type in this code within the given box, and now you will need to install the Google Authenticator app on your smartphone. Tap on the Continue button and then copy the key that you have been given. Once you have installed the Google Authenticator app, go ahead and open it up and make sure to log in with the same email address that you have used while signing up. Now from the application homepage, tap on the Add a Code button and then tap on Enter a Setup Key. You can now manually enter your code details. After entering your code name, just paste the given key within your key section and then tap on the Add button. This will now add the application to your Google Authenticator. And now this application will generate a new authentication key in an interval of a few seconds. After entering the correct code within the Bybit application from your Google Authenticator, the two-factor authentication will now be turned on within your account. And now this means that every time your account will be logged in, the unique 6-digit code that will change in an interval of 30 seconds will be required from your Google Authenticator app. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to set up two-factor authentication on the Bybit application. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.